What's today, Bubba?
Mother's Day. Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day, little girl. Look at the outfit. Your heart's up.
Bubba made this one.
And I made.
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it.
And I made this one.
You made this one for me?
Uh-huh.
And Elizabeth made this one for me?
Oh.
Oh, they're so beautiful. I love
And
these.
some in there again.
Oh, thank you. I love my cards.
That's all. This is it.
3 cards for 3 kids.
That's all.
That's all.
I have the one and favorite one.
Thank you, guys.
The book there's only
I love you.
2. There's only 2 ladybugs.
Jude, you know that you made me a mom? You were my first kid. I became a mama because of you. You made me a mama.
Yep.
Yep.
All of us made these ones. Did I want you to be an And so I want you to be one stickers. And here's the.
Well, when you were born, I became a mama.
Did they buy me?
And I've been a mama ever since.
And I made a big one. Did I make you a mama?
Mhm.
Yes.
Turned me into a mama. I love it. That one was Bubba's. Say Bubba. And that's Elizabeth. And Lily. I love it. Uh-oh. That hurt.
That